Hi guys. So this video is to show you how to get the formula from the description because it wasn't given on the worksheet. So I'm going to go ahead and give it to you here, but I'm also going to show you how I got it. This is for, on your paper it says Unit 8. Okay, so this is the first homework worksheet for official for stoichiometry. Number 1 is already given to you. Don't forget you need to balance that. And here's number 2. Number 2 says propane burns in air. So whenever you see this, they're talking about oxygen. Okay, so you can't burn anything without oxygen. So we're going to write C3H8. That's the formula for propane. And it burns in air. Okay, and then it says 2 forms. So that's my arrow. That's telling me, okay, now I'm going to be talking about the products. And they are carbon dioxide. Remember, di, that prefix means 2. So carbon dioxide looks like that. And it forms water. Remember to leave space in front so you have room to write your coefficients. Remember to space it out so you can write down your numbers underneath without too much clutter. Okay, here's number 3. Ammonia is made by causing hydrogen and nitrogen to react. So that means this ammonia is a product. It's being made, right? So that's going to go on the right side of the arrow. On the left side of the arrow are what it's made from, hydrogen and nitrogen. Okay, so we're going to write hydrogen. But then we're going to remember that this element is one of those diatomic elements, so we're going to put a 2 there. And we're going to react it with nitrogen, and that is also a diatomic element. Okay, so those two are reacting to form ammonia. And there's my formula for ammonia. And that's it for number 3. Okay, number 4. Poison gas phosgene reacts with water in the lungs to form hydrochloric acid and carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is a reactant. Okay, carbon, oxygen, and 2 chlorines. And it reacts with water. Okay, 2 form. Here's my arrow. Hydrochloric acid. Now, I didn't teach you this, so here's a fun fact. When it's an acid, it's always going to have hydrogen as a positive. And then the rest of this is chloric acid. That means the negative ion is that. Okay, so I put those together. The formula will look like this. 1 of each because they cancel each other out. So that's hydrochloric acid. And then the other product is carbon dioxide. And there's the formula for number 4. Number 5. Iron, metal, and oxygen combine to form magnetic oxide of iron, and they give you the formula. So this one, they didn't write the BCA chart. So we're going to write the equation first. Iron, metal, okay, and oxygen. But remember, oxygen is one of those diatomic elements. Combine to form magnetic oxide of iron. There's the formula. Okay, and then we can write our BCA chart out, and then make, be really neat as you write out your answers. Okay, and the last one here is they already gave you the equation, and then they have this other ingredients, other products. That's not important, okay? So what's important is what they've written, and they've given you the coefficients, right? And that's what you need for the stoichiometry. Okay, and I wanted to also talk about this one right here. Lead 2 chloride. So I gave you the formula here, but I wanted to, just for your information, I'm not going to give this on a test or anything. How did I get this formula from that? Okay, so lead 2 chloride. So this is a metal, which means this is an ionic compound, so they're made out of ions. So we're going to need the charges of the ions to figure out what how to make a zero net charge formula. So this Roman numeral 2 means that lead has a +2 charge. Simple. And then chloride, we know from the periodic table that we marked up earlier that it has a -1 charge. And I need to make a neutral combination here, so that means I need 2 of these for every one of those, and that's why it's PbCl2. Okay, and I think that's it. Good luck on the homework. Remember to call me if you need help. Or not call me, come to Google Classroom, Google Meets during office hours if you need help.